Check out this 2002 Lexus RX 300. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include front cup holders, rear anti-roll bar, brake assist, speed control, rear seat center armrest, dual front impact airbags, and front reading lights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.